just go on Facebook and just look me up. I'm the only.
The Mini Electric is a further important milestone in our electrification strategy. By the end of this year, we will have a total of 12 fully electric and plug-in hybrid vehicles available. And next year, we will launch the fully electric BMW iX3. And this underscores what we call the power of choice. From highly efficient combustion engines and plug-in hybrids to pure electric drivetrains, we want to offer the right model with the preferred drivetrain for every customer in every segment across the globe. Be able to help produce as much electricity as the entire BMW. By 2023, we will offer 25 electrified vehicles, more than half of them fully electric. At the BMW Group, we believe electric vehicles can only make a real contribution to climate protection when the entire value chain is sustainable. Our concept of sustainable mobility goes far beyond the car. Take charging, for example. Right here in California, we are cooperating with the Strauss Organic Dairy Farm to create green energy. We are co-funding their work with biodigesters to create renewable energy that reduces greenhouse gas emissions and is one of the cleanest energy sources available here in California. Soon we will be able to help produce as much electricity as the entire BMW and Mini electric vehicle population in California consumes. Let's go back to Mini. Customers have enjoyed 2 generations of the super sporty Mini John Cooper Works GP, and today we're delighted to present the 3rd generation. So, ladies and gentlemen, with more than 300 horsepower and a top speed of 165 miles an hour, this is not only the most powerful GP produced, this is the fastest production Mini ever. This Mini is absolutely thrilling to drive and sets a new benchmark in the small car segment. It will be released in 2020 with a limited edition of 3,000 units. So I think they look great together and show 2 very exciting ways to experience Mini's hallmark go-kart feeling. Production Mini ever. It is full of razo, 2 very exciting ways to experience Mini's hallmark go-kart feeling. Over the past 2 years, nearly all our series have been newly launched or updated. From our BMW 1 Series to the 7 Series, from the X1 to the X7. All of this has had a positive impact on our worldwide sales, and we have achieved our strongest first 10 months ever. Whilst we have been growing our business altogether, our sales in the luxury segment increased by almost 60% in the year to date. Exciting addition to our our sporty and stylish BMW Grand Coupe family. Today, I'm delighted to present a brand new model that will take this extremely successful vehicle concept to our compact class. Our first ever BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe. Here it is. Ladies and gentlemen, the world premiere of our new BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe. It's another exciting addition to our compact class and completes our sporty and stylish BMW Grand Coupe family. The sheer number of new vehicles and world premieres we showcase today really underlines how important the US market is to us.